Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, it's been a while since WordPress introduced the new block editor interface and removed the old classic UI. While this is great as such, but for some cases, you might want to switch back to the old classic version. Maybe because of some text-based designing tools such as WP Bakery, or just because you miss the old school feel of WordPress. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Simply head over to plugins and click on add new plugin. And here you will see this plugin classic editor. If you don't, you can simply search it here. Click on install now, wait for it to install, and then click activate. Now go back to your pages, open any page, and you can see we are back on the classic UI. It was quite simple, wasn't it? So yeah, that's all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.